How to recover deleted data from a restored iPhone using iPhone Dback. I'll walk you through step by step, so if you accidentally restored your iPhone or lost some important data, don't worry, we've got you covered. First things first, let's get iPhone Dback installed on your computer. Head over to iPhone's official website and download the software. It's available for both Windows and macOS. Once installed, launch iMyFone-D to get started. Next, connect your restored iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure your iPhone is recognized by iMyFone-D. Now let's select the appropriate recovery mode based on your situation. Since we are recovering data from a restored iPhone directly, we'll choose recover from iOS device. iMyFone-D will now scan your iPhone for any deleted data that can be recovered. The scanning time depends on the amount of data on your iPhone. Be patient as it completes. Once the scan is finished, you'll see a list of recoverable data categories. You can preview each item to ensure it's what you want to recover. Select the items you want to recover and click Recover. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered deleted data from your restored iPhone using iMyFone-D.